Welcome to another episode of Ask Appy. And today's question comes from Michael from Washington, and he asks, how can I leverage Appy Pie's church app builder feature to contribute to his local church? Michael, we have multiple tools that you could use to support your church. You can use the video sermons and the audio sermons features that we have. Primarily, video sermons are powered by YouTube and audio sermons by SoundCloud, but we've got many other audio and video tools as well. You can have a prayer request feature where you can take down prayer requests for your church. On top of that, you can receive donations, you can receive tithings, you can receive offerings through your app. That I think would be paramount for success of any church app. And you can send those push notifications to the followers of the church for that Sunday Mass. And most importantly, you'll have access to the Holy Bible with just one tap to the app. If you like this video, so subscribe to our channel. And if you have any specific app or marketing related questions for us, feel free to ask them in the comment section down there. And we'll try to address each and every question that comes from you in the subsequent episodes of Ask Appy.